Is your liver the organ that cleans toxins from your blood? Your liver is the largest solid organ in your body. By the time you are grown up, it will be about the size of a football. The liver does many jobs, but there are three big ones. It cleans your blood. It produces an important digestive liquid called bile. It stores energy in the form of sugar called glycogen. The liver cleans blood. The liver helps you by taking toxin substances in the body that are actually like poisons out of your blood. Sometimes your body produces them as part of its normal function, like breaking down protein, a component in foods such as meat and nuts. The liver also cleans blood that has been enriched with vitamins and minerals during digestion. After you have eaten something, the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients from the food pass from the intestine into the blood before going out to the rest of the body. The nutrient-rich blood makes a stop at the liver. The liver processes the good stuff into forms that the rest of the body can use. Waste or stuff your body does not need is carried by bile back into the intestine and out of the body. When you poop, other waste processed by the liver goes through your blood to your kidneys and out into your pee. If you ever accidentally ate something that was harmful, your liver would try to break it down and clear it out of your system. The liver makes bile. As you probably know, the digestive system does more than just move food through your body until it has time for a trip to the bathroom. During digestion, your body takes everything your body needs from the food you eat. Fat is one of the things the body gets from food. Bile is a digestive juice produced by the liver, helps the body absorb fat into the bloodstream. You will find this thick yellow-green substance in the gallbladder, where it is stored until the body needs some to digest fats. The liver stores glycogen. The liver also helps the body use carbohydrates. Carbs, another important component in food. Carbohydrates found in a lot of foods such as bread, fruit, and milk. The body breaks down most carbs into a type of sugar called glucose, which is the main source of fuel for our cells. Glucose stored in the liver called glycogen. Glycogen is like your backup fuel. When the body needs a quick energy boost or when a person's blood glucose level drops, the liver breaks down glycogen and releases glucose into the bloodstream. When you take a pain reliever for a headache, the liver takes the active ingredients and break it down so your body can use it to make your headache go away. Living healthy is the best way to care for your liver. The liver may damage if a person is very overweight or drink too much alcohol. So be active, eat right, and your liver will keep on loving you back. The cares and cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family and do let us know what you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The editorial board does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.